So, paano ba tayo mag-i-invest using Seedbox's online investment platform? So, here, pupunta tayo sa seedbox.ph. You click on login and log in using your email address. Remember, don't forget to sign up first so that you can be verified to invest. Putting in my password. So once you're logged in, you click products and services. You'll see two tabs, Seedbox package and individual fund. For this case, I will choose individual fund, and I have here the funds available in the portal. So I have the aggressive funds, which is recommended according to my risk profile, and all the rest line up for me. So this time I will choose the aggressive investor. Here you can review the allocation. As you can see, it's from Philippine Equity Opportunity Fund. I can also look at the performance of the fund. They have one month, 6 months, 1, 3, and 5 years performance. So as you can see, you can click here and see the performance of this fund. Now, let's say I want to invest. I'll agree to the detailed information. I'll buy and go to my cart. Here, I key in the minimum investment amount, which is 5,000 for this particular fund. And remember, this account is remember, we are opening this transaction after cutoff. So after I click checkout and choose how I will fund my investment. For my case, it's online or mobile banking through BPI. You can also do this through BDO. So I will click continue. So may lalabas lang dito ng OTP which is sent sa aking cellphone. I will type my OTP and then yan, may lalabas na after cut off na yung transaction. So I just have to say okay to this one. I click yes and I will receive the instruction on how I can fund my investment. In this case, I have this as my reference number. So what I will do now is I will go to BPI, and for my case it's BPI Express Online. I will fund this account using this reference number. But don't worry, you don't have to print this. This will be sent to your email. So assuming I'm done with the funding, all I need to do is capture the funding information. If you do it via BPI or BDO, you just screen capture the confirmation and send it to support@seedbox.ph. So that's it for our instructions and the short step-by-step guide on how you can invest.